Welcome to Christ College, Ribhoi. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Menteri Berdepeja Katanat Pulih Putih ke Sorkar Jylla urakam sangma Shisngi ulaya thu bahadin pa Menteri Rangba uladap bandra ya ka isu kapayade bat ka exam Common University Entrance Test hak Sorkar Pedeng nakalyang ka National Testing Agency kin sapoi hak Jylla Lashai ne Shisngi. Hak jengakran berkilat pathai Khubor Menteri ula pentepru ba ka NTA kalayakran berka Sorkar Jylla bandon ni kijaka tho exam khnang ban la ban bu sa arspa tali ki kor computer khnang ba ka jing penlong ya ka exam CUET kan long ka bayad ben kumta uloong ba yamantahi kidang apshwa ya ka jing up jong ka NTA ban wan jurib ban shupan kan mau kaladon ka jing ut ki Samla Namar bun ki habanik tho ya ka exam CUET shabar ka Jylla badon ru ki bangat shagi Jylla ki ba kham jingai wala ki kwa abakin tho hala ka jong ka Jylla.
Look, on this issue, our Honorable Chief Minister has taken up the matter at the highest level. Our Honorable Chief Minister had met Honorable Union Minister of Education, Government of India yesterday, and apprised the issue. And like this can be delayed because exam is being listed tomorrow. The problem is NTA did not communicate to the state government because they directly communicate one day or 2 days before the exam schedule. So this is a problem. So exam start tomorrow. Some of the students has already left for the exam for the different location. So we can't do anything on that. So but however, after the taking up the matter by Honorable Chief Minister in Delhi yesterday, so the NTA contacted the state government for identifying the more computer center, and we are on the job. So I think they will come for inspection the TCS data center. They are coming tomorrow or day after, and I mean that the process will take maybe one day or to this time. So after that, I think and we are also writing another letter by now only that to defer those students who are not immediate, that means by tomorrow or day after, so to defer the exam. So I think so let's see what outcome from tomorrow and day after, because the NTA, they have sending the team for inspection about the center that we have identified more.
Despite knowing the fact,
Correct.
And many students have only chosen the center.
Yes. Look, the problem is, we don't want to blame, of course, but the problem is NTA did not communicate to the state government. So we don't know the problems. They only communicate directly to the students. We have identified the center already, but they should have informed the state government this is not enough, right? But they have to inform us that they have just a lot of like this. So therefore, but since now I'm sure, but those students which are going to have exam maybe after this week, I think definitely those exam will be different, and they will be relocated assured by the NTA. So we are on the job. Tomorrow some students has already left, those who are nearby. So we can otherwise if we do so, again another confusion will arise. But for all those students outside the state, I mean part like Port Blair, Zarkhan, and I'm here. I think those are allocated after 19, if I'm not wrong. The dates are 19. So, but for that, I think we can sort it out this weekdays. So, I mean, we're expecting for all the students who got allocation center in the different far location. I think that will be addressed. Court is not with us, and we also don't know the exact exact number of the detail we also don't know, because look, the problem is NTA don't communicate to the state government. That is the main problem. NTA should appoint a full-fledged nodal officer in the state, and we will rating on that. So NTA should have informed the state government properly in time, so that we can take the necessary measure, necessary steps, so that our students will not face problem. But however, now after knowing this issue, Honorable Chief Minister is quick to react on that, and he even met Honorable Minister of Education Government of India, and he expressed and dispatched a letter, and I think we are on the job. But we are working on the different alternative. Therefore, we have established a state university. Those colleges who will be affiliated with the state university, they don't need to undergo CUT entrance examination for the admission. That is another option. Number one, look, NTA, it's prerogative of the MTA, right? It's an agency, they have to conduct, because it is the decision, right? So we can do anything on that, right? So some are applied, but the process is also going on, right? Because since many have already applied to apply for the CUT, whether they take admission in the central university affiliated colleges or not, they will. I think it's after this. I mean, many of this. I mean, the students already applied for to face this examination. I think they are going ahead.
So last
No, but because NTA don't communicate to us, but the latest development is NTA has communicated with the state government to identify 200 computer more having all the facility. So we have identified those, and we have identified the infrastructure, and we have communicated to the NTA, and they are coming tomorrow to inspect whether they fulfill the criteria or not.
Sir.
That or the center. But it is clear those colleges affiliated to the central university, they have to undergo this examination. That's all, simple as it.